Hello friends, welcome to Tosca Shots. This is clip 4. So here we are going to select the particular date from a calendar. So if you see, this is the calendar here. So here we have to click this so that the number of or the years mentioned, so we have to choose any particular year and we have to select any particular month and the date. So this is how we will be navigating in calendar. So we are going to use like we are going to automate it how we can choose or select a particular date using Tosca. Yeah, let's go jump into our Tosca command. So this is our Tosca commander here. So this is the test case I'm going to create. I'm just going to create a new test case here. So in 1 second. Yeah, okay. This is already been created. A sample I have created, and it is I named it as testing. So in this testing, I'm just going to add a test step, and I'll call out a buffer. So the module called tbox set buffer. So this module helps us to identify our date, year and the month separately and allocate into a new buffer separately so that we can call those buffer values from here and we can use it in our testing purpose. So let's see how we are going to do this. So I have added a set buffer here. So initially I'm going to create this is a buffer name. So I'm assigning a value. Let's put today's date 09/205. So and the action mode will be of input. So once I click enter here after assigning, so that it will create another buffer name, so that if I keep on entering, so the number of buffer names gets increased. So this is the any date. I just named it as any date here and the value is of today's date. So from this date, I'm going to identify the date, I mean a day, month and a year separately and assigning to a buffer. So first will be day buffer. So here I'm using the date function to identify the day from the any date buffer. So I call this buffer name here and here the date. So only the day I have mentioned. Yeah. So secondly, I'm going to identify the month from the any date buffer. So how we are going to do? The same way, date function. I'm calling the buffer here any date. Then I need the name of the month. It is September, so name of the month. The value should be like this. Then I'm clicking enter. Okay, some errors happened here. Okay. So here the square brace is not here. Okay, this is closing here and this is closed. Now it will be perfect. Now still there is some error. Okay, I used curly braces. Okay. I used curly braces instead of square braces. Yeah, now it is perfect. Then I'm going to choose identify the year from the any date buffer. Same function, square braces, closed the date function. So I am calling out any date, closing this name. Okay, perfect. So the action mode will be of input. So now we are going to test it. Test this buffer. Let's see. We are just facing any issue or not. So this is okay. The issue. What it is telling is okay. The value cannot be okay. This is the default format here. It's dot. So I have mentioned the slash. So we are going to modify it here. Okay. Dot replacing the slash dot. Okay. So I'm just running it again in Scratchbook. Mm-hmm. I'm just canceling it, and I think okay. I got it. So I ran the entire test case. I just want to run only the test set buffer values. So run in Scratchbook. Okay. So this is the Scratchbook output. Yeah. Perfect. So the date is of this format, and from the date, from the any date buffer, we have just identified the day, month of September, and the year. So here sometimes we will be seeing the month name as September as well as SEP. So if we want to find for the SEP the first three letters, so how we are going to find it? Going to the buffer values, and we're just removing 1M so that the first three letters gets sorry, three letters get populated. So I'm just rerunning in Scratchbook again. Yeah, now we are going to check. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, now we are seeing the SEP, so which is first three letters. Okay, the second section will be showing in the next clip. So thanks for watching. If you find it is useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye now.